everyone, my name is Veronica, but you may know me as Two Easels, a lettering and design brand. I mostly do hand lettering, but I have a big passion for all things art, whether it's drawing, painting, illustrating, and most recently, digital art on the iPad. Today, I'm going to teach you my super easy digital painting process and how to paint these flowers in an easy to follow step-by-step guide. Sadly, flowers are the last thing that I am capable of keeping alive at home, but I do love painting them, and that's exactly what I want to show you. I'll begin with the basics and show you how to use Procreate and how to navigate around it if you haven't used it before. How to use reference photos for easy drawing, creating color palettes for easy coloring and for future projects, and how to use layers and blending modes to create beautiful color effects. I even include a couple bonus videos showing you a few different ways to color your flowers and how to transform them into brushes for other projects. When you enroll in this class, you also get a folder with a few photos of flowers that you can use to practice during this class. Alright, so let's get started. If you have any other questions, please post them below in the community section and I will do my best to answer all of them. Also, don't forget to follow me so you can get notified of any other future classes or any announcements I have for all my students. You can also follow me on Instagram at 2easels to see my latest lettering and art or to just say hi. Alright, go grab your iPad and let's get started.